Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. And today we are going to continue our chapter triangles and its properties. So our first topic for today is equilateral triangles. We have discussed there are a lot of types of triangles, but today we'll learn only those triangles which are mentioned in your textbook. So our first triangle is equilateral triangle. So now what is equilateral triangle? As I have made a triangle here and named it as ABC, so we'll study how can we say that a given triangle is equilateral triangle. So the first property of equilateral triangle is all sides have same length. Second thing which you should know about equilateral triangle is that each angle of equilateral triangle measures 60 degrees. That is, measure of these angles of each angle is 60 degree. So we studied equilateral triangle. What are its properties? All sides have same length. Second, each angle is measure of 60. Now next is isosceles triangle. So what is the property of isosceles triangle? We can identify it by using its property, and the property is that in isosceles triangle two sides are of equal length. How? Let's see. So here are two triangles. You can take many more as examples. See, in isosceles triangle two sides are of equal length. So this will be equal to this. Then we can say the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Second, if this length is equal to this length, then you can say triangle EFG is an isosceles triangle. So you have to remember, in equilateral triangle all sides have same length and each angle has measure 60 degree, and in isosceles triangle the length of two sides is equal. Next topic is triangle property. What is the property of a triangle? How can we say that with the given measurements a triangle can be formed or not? So your definition says the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. How? So here we are having triangle ABC, and according to our triangle property, the sum of side AB and BC will be greater than the third side, that is AC. Also we can say the sum of BC and AC will be greater than the side AB. So according to your definition, or you can say triangle property, a triangle can only be formed when the length of two sides is greater than the third side. You will get questions of such type in which you have to check the length will be given and you have to check whether you can form the triangle or not. Now our next topic is right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. So let's understand what are right angle triangles. So in a given triangle, if one angle is of 90 degree, we say that the triangle is right angle triangle. This is not necessary that the shape of the triangle should be this only. It can be of any shape, but the condition applied is that one angle should measure 90 degree. So here we can say this is of 90 degree. This angle is also a right angled triangle. Now next we'll study Pythagoras property. Now Pythagoras property can be only applied when the given triangle is right angled triangle. So we'll understand this property using this triangle. So let us understand what is Pythagoras property. Now next we'll study Pythagoras property. Now Pythagoras property can be only applied when the given triangle is right angled triangle. So we'll understand this property using this triangle. So let us understand what is Pythagoras property. Before understanding Pythagoras property, you must know that in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle, here in this triangle the side opposite to right angle is AC, and we call it hypotenuse. So the longest side of the right angle triangle is known as hypotenuse, and this BC is known as base and this AB is known as height. So what is Pythagoras property? Now it will be easier to understand. According to Pythagoras property, the square of hypotenuse, which is AC here, so AC square will be equal to base square, that is BC square, plus height square, that is AB square. So we can write these names also which we have given. Okay, let's take this base as C. So hypotenuse is A here. A square is equals to BC square, that is C square, plus height we have taken B square. So this is Pythagoras property. Now let us take some questions for Pythagoras property so that it is clear to you how to find the length in a given right angle triangle. So let us take a right angle triangle and name it as ABC, right angled at B, and the length of the side given to us is, height is given 5 cm and base is given 12 cm. Now how you will find the length of this side AC? So as I have written here, Pythagoras property says that hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. So here our hypotenuse is AC. So AC is equals to base square. Base is here BC. So BC square plus height square. Height is AB. AB square. Now we'll put the values given to us. AC we have to calculate. So AC square is equals to BC square. BC is 12. 12 square plus AB. AB is length 5 square. So 12 square is equals to 144 and 5 square is equals to 25. If you have not learned squares, I have uploaded a video related to squares. You can check it. I'll link it in the I button. Now see, this is equals to AC square. Our next step will be, we'll do the sum of this 144 and 25, and when you'll add it, you'll get 169. Now 169 is the square of 13. So AC square is equals to 13 square. Now you can say by comparison AC will be equal to 13. So the length of AC is 13. Or the second method which we use here is AC square is given to us as 169. So we'll say taking under root both sides. So when you take under root, AC square is equals to 169 is the square of 13. 13 square. So when we take the root, this root cancel outside square. So from here also you can get the value of AC as 13. Here I have taken another example in which triangle ABC is given to you and the length of hypotenuse is 15 and length of our height is 12, and you have to calculate the length of base, which is BC here. So according to Pythagoras property, you know square of hypotenuse, which is AC here, is equal to the sum of its height and base square. So this is our Pythagoras property. Now we'll put the values. The value of AC is 15. So 15 square is equals to length 12 AB plus BC we have to calculate is. Now 15 square is equals to 225 is equal to 12 square 144 plus BC square. Now you know when the value is a positive and we transfer it to other hand, its sign becomes negative. So 225 minus 144 is equals to BC square. Now when you will subtract it, you will get 81 is equals to BC square, and 81 is the square of 9. So 9 square is equals to BC square. So by comparison you can say that the value of BC is 9. So here our introduction for this chapter is completed. Hope it was clear to you how to find out the value of the given side in a right angle triangle using Pythagoras property. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.